Good morning. The use of a recursive function in a binary search tree can be determined whether in a binary tree by checking every node falls within a valid range of values. The function starts at the root node and is given a minimum and maximum allowed value. Initially, these limits can be negative infinity and positive infinity. For each node, the function checks every whether the node value is greater than the minimum limit and less than the maximum limit. If the value is outside this range, the tree is not a binary search tree, and the function returns false. If the value is valid, the function recursively checks both subtrees. For the left subtree, the current node's value becomes the new maximum limit because every value of the left must be smaller than the current node. For the right subtree, the current node value becomes the new minimum limit because every value on the right must be larger than the current node. The base case occurs when the function reaches a null node. A null node is considered valid, so the function returns true. The tree is a binary search tree only if every recursive call returns true. This approach correctly verifies the binary search tree property throughout the entire tree, not just between parents and their immediate children, and it runs efficiently in ON time because each node is visited only once.